With Gravity Forms, it's easy to accept payments on your WordPress.com website. In this video, we'll take a look at how to use Gravity Forms to integrate your WordPress.com website with Square so you can start taking payments via your forms today. For a detailed written guide, follow the link in the description of this video. Please note that you need to have purchased and installed Gravity Forms on your WordPress.com website before following this tutorial. A guide to setting up Gravity Forms on WordPress.com can be found in the description of this video. To get started, navigate to the Add-Ons browser within your WordPress.com dashboard. Next, install and activate the Square add-on. Then, go to the Gravity Forms settings page and select Square. Select Connect with Square and follow the instructions on screen to integrate Gravity Forms with your Square account. If you don't have a Square account, you can create one for free by following the link in the description. Save your settings and then navigate to the form you would like to use to accept payments. For this video, I'm going to use the e-commerce form template from within the template library. I'm then going to delete the placeholder credit card field and add the Square field. After I save my changes, I'll need to create a feed for this form so that I can specify the data that gets sent from this form to Square. To create a feed, navigate to your Forms settings and select Square. Next, select Add New to create a new feed for this form. Give the feed a descriptive name and then select the transaction type. Then, map the form fields to their corresponding Square fields and save your settings. And that's all there is to it. You're now ready to publish your form and start collecting payments with Square on your WordPress.com website. For more guides and tutorials on all things Gravity Forms, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you don't miss an upload. Thanks for watching.